I'm Malcolm, Head of Medical Physics and Clinical Engineering at the Wolverhampton Hospital NHS Trust.
I'm Stephanie Howells and I'm the Quality Manager of the radiopharmacy at New Cross Hospital in Wolverhampton. We chose BriTec as they're a company we were familiar with. My colleagues who've been here previous to myself had used BriTec in the past, good product knowledge, and also they were based in the UK. BriTec we used and communicated with regularly. They came down to site, easy accessible via email, very, very helpful.
One of the main decisions that focused us was the fact that we can work in collaboration with the company. Nothing was too much of a problem, and there was a dialogue going backwards and forwards when we were trying to achieve the solutions that we wanted to achieve in terms of equipment procurement.
The new facility complies with the standards that the MHRA issue, and also our new equipment that we've had for the radiation protection. We've gone with the highest shielding possible, so it will future-proof the facility for if we decide to do some of the more active treatments, such as for PET.
I've been extremely impressed with the service that BriTec have provided. They've supplied us with bespoke equipment and off-the-shelf equipment, all to a very high standard.